Let's do this amazing sum. It's a beautiful one which you're going to do now. Let's understand this sum first. It says in the given figure, bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at point P. Now let's understand. In this figure, we are saying that bisector of angle B, that means this BP is bisecting angle B. That means these two angles here, they are congruent. And bisector of angle C, that means CP is bisecting these two angles. That means these two angles here are congruent. Beautiful. That is what we have. Now we know one thing, before we get into the two proof, we can just write something about this. More than one angle bisector. Here we have two. The moment we have that, use variables. That will make the sum very easy for us. So that means if this is x, this is going to be x. This is y, this is going to be y. Let's write that as the first two steps there. So we write here, let angle ABP equal to angle PBC is equal to x. And the next one, angle ACP equal to angle PCB is equal to y. And the reason for both is one and the same. The reason is since segment BP and segment CP bisect angle ABC and angle ACB respectively. Now we got this. Right? Done. So the first, this is something which we could write. Now let's proceed further. How do we write it further? Now when we look at the two proof, it says we need to get angle BPC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle BAC. Now we want this angle BPC, this particular angle, to be 90 degree. We don't have anywhere 90 degree. Okay. Plus half the measure of angle BAC. Now that means this angle, we need to relate it with this angle BAC. Okay. Now one thing is very clear. BPC belongs to the smaller triangle. We'll think about that triangle. And angle BAC which you're talking about, that belongs to a bigger triangle. So we have to also think about the bigger triangle. That's the hint I'm giving. Okay, just remember that in your mind. So now let's talk about angle BPC. Now as I said, angle BPC, if you're talking about, we have to consider the smaller triangle, and in that one angle is x, this angle is y. So can we think of angle BPC? Yes, by angle some property of a triangle. Let's write it. Right, in triangle BPC, we write the sum of all the three angles. So we write angle BPC plus angle PBC plus angle PCB is equal to 180 degree. Reason angle some property of a triangle. Substitute the value. Angle BPC remains as it is. PBC is x, PCB is y, and that is equal to 180 degree. Now, angle BPC, we are interested in getting angle BPC equal to. Means isolate that angle BPC on one side. Keep angle BPC on one side of the equal to sign. So this plus x goes the other side, plus y goes the other side. Beautiful. So that means 180 remains as it is on the right hand side. Plus x comes here, becomes minus x. Plus y comes here, becomes minus y. So always when we are doing something, understand why we are doing it. Then such kind of two proofs become very easy. They are very exciting. Right? So now what you can see is, if you can simplify this further on the right hand side, here for both minus is common. So let's take minus common. So within the bracket we'll have, when we take minus sign common, sign changes. So minus x within the bracket would become plus x and minus y would become plus y. So we get 180 minus bracket x plus y. That's our result number one. Now we are not able to solve it further. Keep it the same way there. And let's compare this with the result what we want. We got this. So the left hand side is done, angle BPC is done. But on the right hand side we have 180, but what do we want? We want 90 plus half. Forget about these numbers, that we'll take care later. What do we want? We want angle BAC, we don't have it here. And what do we have here? We have x plus y. Now what it means is, we need to think about angle BAC, right? We need to get that. And we need to get rid of that x plus y, right? 180, 90, that we'll think later. That will come automatically. But let's think about that, x plus y. Now when you think about x and y, if you look here, x, yes, we are talking about this angle. Let's get that first, because we are going to, when we are talking about angle BAC, we are talking about this triangle. And in this triangle, if you're thinking about angle BAC, first let's think what is angle ABC, what is angle ACB. Can we find that? You will say yes. How? Angle ABC is nothing but it is angle ABP plus angle PBC. Why? Reason is angle addition property. Now substitute the value. It is nothing but x plus x. What is x plus x? X plus x is nothing but 2x. So we got angle ABC is 2x. The way we got this angle ABC as 2x, can we find angle ACB? Yes. What is that? Y plus y. That is 2y. Are you going to write it again with all the steps? No, we can just write similarly. Angle ACB is equal to y plus y. That is nothing but 2y. And that's our result number 3. So now we know this angle is 2x, this angle ACB is 2y. So now can we get angle BAC? Yes. How? By considering the bigger triangle. So now we write in triangle ABC, angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Reason angle some property of a triangle. Now angle BAC we don't know, we want it, keep it as it is. Angle ABC, how much is that? It is 2x, beautiful. Angle ACB is 2y, beautiful. We got it from where? We got it from 2 and 3. That is what we write the reason there. Let's solve it further. What is there? Common here. 2 common. So we write 2 common x plus y within the bracket. That is equal to 180. Now, observe. What we are trying to do is, in this equation, we don't want x plus y. We need to get rid of that so that somehow we can get BAC. Now we have x plus y here. So let's get the value of x plus y. So we're going to keep this here. So this goes on to the other side. Now plus BAC, take it to the other side. So we get 180 minus angle BAC. So understand what we are doing. We're just trying to get this rid of x plus y. So if we want to get rid of that, can we just erase it and get rid of it? No, we have to find its value. So we're trying to find the value of x plus y from this equation. So we'll say if we want x plus y, we don't want this 2. So to remove 2, what do we do? Divide throughout by 2. So that is what we're going to do. Observe, dividing throughout by 2. So dividing this by 2, dividing 180 by 2, and yes, that's what you're doing, minus half of BAC, dividing throughout by 2, right? Why are we doing that? So that we get the value of x plus y. Now let's solve it. So what do we get further? 2 ones are 2 90s, and now nothing here. So what do we get? It is 90 minus half of angle BAC, and let's say that's our result number 4. Now you know what? It's very interesting now, almost towards the end. We got the value of x plus y, right? We have to pick up this value and substitute that in equation number 1, and we'll get the answer. Let's see. So we're going to rewrite that 1 again, right? We wrote that BPC remains as it is, 180 remains as it is, minus remains. Only thing is x plus y. We don't want this. We have the value of that. It is 90 minus half of angle BAC. Let's write that. But remember, minus, then put the value within the bracket. X plus y. What is the value? It is 90 minus half of angle BAC. From where did we get this? We got this from 1 and 4, right? So from 1 in 4, we substitute that. Or we can write from 1 and 4. Now so let's solve it. So what do we write? 180 minus, open the bracket, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus, beautiful, plus half of angle BAC. 180 minus 90, how much is that? It is 90, beautiful, plus half of angle BAC. Look at what we got. We got angle BPC equal to 90 plus half of angle BAC, and believe me, that is what our to prove is. We got the proof. Wasn't that easy? It's a beautiful sum, a very, very, very important one.
And yes, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon